Well, millions of Americans are digging out after that historic blizzard slammed multiple states in the Northeast. Some areas like Providence, Rhode Island saw their biggest snowfall ever, more than 3 feet. New York City seeing nearly 20 inches, the most snow there in a decade. Across the region, hundreds of thousands of customers still without power, and flights were also impacted. ABC's Reena Roy has more.
A massive bomb cyclone blizzard hammering the Northeast this week, and now the big cleanup is underway. The intense storm dumping more than 3 feet in Providence, Rhode Island, 37.9 inches, a state record, and the highest total anywhere for this storm.
This is not a quick cleanup. Recovery will take time, patience, and coordination.
Heavy snow and wind creating whiteout conditions. At its worst, the storm dropping up to 3 inches of snow per hour in some areas. Travel becoming treacherous, cars sliding out of control outside Boston, many getting stuck, including emergency vehicles. First responders and Good Samaritans joining forces to dig this one out. In New York City, trees snapping under the wet, heavy snow. Central Islip on Long Island saw the highest total in New York State with 31 inches. In New Jersey, Lyndhurst saw the most with 30.7 inches. Fallen trees and power lines knocking out power to hundreds of thousands of customers.
For me, it was like you either got to get our power on or plow, because we don't want to sleep here tonight.
Air travel also crippled, with more than 11,000 flights canceled since Sunday due to the storm.
Our crews have been out around the clock since the snow started falling Sunday afternoon. They have been out there clearing everything. We're making sure that, the airport is open, which it is, and that all of the surfaces are safe for passengers and, of course, all of the aircraft.
And unfortunately, we've got even more snow on the way here in the Northeast this week, which could make these cleanup efforts even more difficult. Reena Roy, ABC News, New York.